Look at this. You have to see it.
It's here. It's here! Pool day! Pool day! Pool day! Dad! Dad! The truck is here!
Tom, it's early.
The pool, Dad! The pool!
Oh. Oh, wow.
Whoa! Is that my pool?
Sign here, please. Big box.
It's so big, Dad. Hello?
Tom, it cannot hear you. Shh. That is very large.
Can we build it now?
Yes, Tom. Easy.
Of course. Very easy.
Wow! So many things!
Oh, this looks difficult.
No problem.
Please read the instructions first.
I don't need instructions.
Dad, this has 43 pages.
I don't need pages. I have built furniture. I have fixed the car. I once built a bookshelf in 20 minutes.
The bookshelf fell down.
It stood for 3 weeks first.
Dad, is this the bottom?
Yes! Good boy! Okay, let's go. No instructions needed. This is easy. All right, Tom, ready for the big reveal? Here we go.
Wow, it's so big!
I think that piece goes the other way.
No, I'm about to do the same thing. This is correct.
Are you okay, Dad?
Yes, that was supposed to happen. See, Tom, this is how you connect the filter. It's very important. Almost.
Do it again! Do it again!
Lily. It says here, step 1 is to lay the base frame first.
I know. I am doing that.
You are doing step 7.
Which page is step 7? Page 12. I am a very fast learner. There we go. That's it. It's holding perfectly.
Wow! I found this, Dad. I put it in a good place.
Tom, where did you find this?
There. I pulled them out. There were too many. Is that bad?
Tom, come here. Let's talk about pool rules.
Okay.
Number 1, never run near the pool. Okay?
Okay.
Number 2, always tell a grown-up before you get in.
Okay.
Number 3, Floaties stay on until Dad says you can take them off.
What if I don't want them?
Tom.
Floaties stay on.
Good boy. What are you doing?
Reading
Reading what?
the instructions. Oh,
Nice work, Dad.
yes! Okay, one by one. Good. Wow.
Left side. Push left.
Left. Got it. Got it.
Hey, help me! Help me!
I built that.
We helped.
I built that with some help.
It is a real pool!
Good job.
Told you.
It is so slow.
Good things take time, Tom.
Can I go in now?
Not yet.
Now? Okay, I'll wait. Perfect. You are coming too.
Okay, Tom. Swimming lesson. Ready?
Ready! Run!
Tip 1. Arms like this.
Windmill.
Tip 2. Kick your legs. Fast. Like a dog.
Like a dog?
Like a very fast dog.
Like this?
Perfect. You are basically swimming already.
Cold! It's cold!
You'll get used to it.
Mom, I am in the pool!
Don't forget, floaties on.
They are on! Look!
Fine, buddy.
Ah!
I'm coming, Tom. Hold on. You are fine, buddy. Use the windmill. That's my boy.
It works, Dad!
That's my boy. Tom, what are you doing?
I don't need them now. I know the windmill.
Tom, keep the floaties on.
But Dad!
Floaties stay on until I say.
The windmill is better than floaties.
Floaties, on.
Found this in the garage.
The slide! The slide! Ah!
Walk. Do not run.
I am walking. See? Walking. I am so high up.
You are 3 feet off the ground.
So high up.
Tom, honey, the picnic is almost ready. Are you having fun in the pool?
Yes, Mommy. Watch me splash.
Chew slowly, Tom. This is actually really nice.
I built a pool and got a picnic. Good day.
I made the picnic.
Great team.
I want to invite my friends.
Sure. Which friends?
Jake and Mia and Oscar and Ben and Lucy and maybe Sam.
That's 6 kids.
And their moms can come too.
How many sandwiches do we have?
We are not inviting 6 families, Tom.
Just 5?
Tom,
Just Jake?
call Jake. Only Jake.
Yes!
Just for a minute.
Dad, you are getting in?
Pool day.
The pool has a weight limit.
I know.
It says on page 43.
I am fine.
The limit is 220 pounds.
I'm mostly fine. This is cozy.
You are so big, Dad!
I am proportional.
Dad,
What?
Dad.
Go, Dad, go!
Oh no.
That's me!
I need another cup of tea. I got it on video this time. Delete it.
Is the pool broken?
Yes,
Can you fix it?
maybe.
Do you need the instructions?
Yes, Tom. I need the instructions.
Dad,
Yeah, buddy.
this was the best day.
The pool broke.
Oh, best day.
Yeah, best day. And so, the family sat together on the sofa, wrapped in the quiet happiness of a perfect day.
Look at this. You have to see it.
Again! Again!
I was in control.
You hit the fence.
I reached the fence.
Mom,
Yes?
can we fix the pool?
We'll try.
Can Jake come next time?
Yes, Jake can come.
Good.
He needs to see the windmill.